This is one for the beauty creators. Here's how to create your very first makeup effect. First, head to the Effect House website's Learn section and download the makeup assets from the makeup tutorial. Then it's time to get creating. Today we'll be focusing on eye makeup. To build your eye look, adjust the hue and saturation of the eyeshadow layer in Photoshop, Procreate, or your preferred image editing software. You can turn the visibility of any existing layers on or off by clicking the eye icon. Then, add a new layer and start drawing the right eyeshadow wing with the lasso tool. Fill the selection with black. Apply the filter to the eyeshadow layer. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise to add the sparkle texture. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Artistic, Watercolor to create a dispersed sparkle texture. Make the layer blend mode Screen. Time to try out any other filters on the layers and explore. Add elements of your choosing to make your design come to life and help catch your audience's eye once the final effect is live. Once your design is ready, export the assets as PNGs and import into Effect House. Now let's start building your effect. Import the texture by clicking the Add button, Import from Computer in the Assets panel. Select any relevant PNGs to bring them into your workspace. Add a face mask by clicking Add Object, Face Effects, Face Mask. Set the texture of face mask to the imported image and adjust the parameters after importing. To create your effect, you will need to select the corresponding face region. Switch from eye, eyelash, and lips, or select whole face. Pro tip: make sure to test out your effect before you export to ensure that it works across different skin tones. The more accessible your final design, the more seen your community will feel as they use your effect. To learn tutorials like this one and download all the templates you need to get started, head to effecthouse.tiktok.com.